Hello everyone, welcome to Nawaz Khan EDU. After a long time, well, not so much long time, but still after a few days, I've uploaded a new video. This is a continuation of a series that I've made in past about motor replacement. In this video, we are basically going to cover first motor replacement guide, and in the second part, I'm going to cover how to earn from motor replacement. So the first part, I should go back, and there is this article from knockoutengine.com, step-by-step guide on how to do an engine replacement. So I'm going to click on that. All right, and let's get started. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. That will give you the motivation to make more content like this. Also, if you have any question and suggestions, leave them down below in the I was gonna say suggestion box in the comment section. That will really mean a lot. Whether you are modifying your existing vehicle or whether you have sustained engine damage and need a new engine, it is important to ensure that your engine replacement is carried out properly in order to avoid issues and hazards. Once you have found the replacement engine that is right for your vehicle, the next step is to get fitted. Most people hire a certified mechanic to carry out the engine replacement, which is always recommended if you have a little or no experience with vehicle. However, it is always useful to know how to do the replacement in case you need to do it yourself. What you need to do when carrying out an engine swap. When it comes to engine replacement, there are two main tasks that you need to focus on. The first is to get the old engine removed from your vehicle, and the second is to fit the replacement one. So let's take a look at the first stage of removing an old engine. When removing the old engine, park the vehicle on a flat surface in an area that is make sure to put wheel chocks behind the wheels to stop the vehicle from rolling. Remove the hood hinges and bolts so that you can take the hood off. You can start disconnecting and labeling the electrical wiring connections to the engine. Also disconnect the battery and remove it. You then need to disconnect all hoses that connect to the radiator. You should drain the radiator and the engine block of any fluid. Also remove the oil pan plug and the drain and the oil from the engine. You can then replace the pan plug. Then you need to remove the radiator cover, the radiator and the fan so that they do not sustain damage when you remove the engine. You can then use an engine hoist to place over the engine, disconnect it from the drivetrain and exhaust system. Then use the hoist to erase the engine out. Putting in the new engine. When putting in the new engine after removing the old one, you need to use the engine hoist to position the new engine over the engine compartment. Lower it into the place carefully. Attach to the drivetrain and attach to the mount bolt and exhaust manifolds. Remove the hoist from the engine, reconnect the various hoses and wiring connection that you disconnected from the old engine, replace the radiator, fan and cover, add new water, oil and air filters. Also install spark plugs and plug wires if they are not already installed. I hope you are learning something new. That was it for today. Goodbye.